Hello everyone, my name is Om Shah and I'm a legal intern at Lexington Company. Today I'm going to discuss about the Article 66 of the Constitution of India. Article 66 of the Constitution of India deals with the election of the Vice President of India. The article states that the Vice President shall be elected by the members of the Electoral College, which consists of the members of the Lok Sabha, that is the House of the People, and the Rajya Sabha, that is the Council of the States. To be eligible for election as Vice President, a person must be a citizen of India, be at least 35 years old, be qualified for election as a member of the Rajya Sabha, and not hold any office of profit under the government of India or the government of any state. The election of the Vice President is held in accordance with the system of proportional representation by means of the single transferable vote. This means that each elector costs a single vote and the votes are then distributed among the candidates in proportion to the number of votes that they receive. The person who receives the majority of the votes is elected as Vice President. If no candidate receives a majority of the votes, then a second round of voting is held between the two candidates who receive the most votes in the first round. Article 66 was added to the Constitution of India in 1950. It was inspired by the practice in the United States where the Vice President is elected by the members of the Electoral College. The purpose of Article 66 is to ensure that the Vice President is elected by a representative body of the people. This makes the Vice President a more legitimate and accountable figure, and helps to ensure that the Vice President is not beholden to any particular political party or group. Now, I'm winding up this video. If any viewer has any questions regarding the same, do let me know in the comment box. Thank you.